Welcome to our channel. In the previous session, we have discussed single level inheritance, multiple inheritance, multi-level inheritance and hierarchical inheritance. Now we will move to the concept of hybrid inheritance. Hybrid inheritance is combination of any two inheritances. Combination of any two inheritances. For example, hybrid inheritance is equal to single level inheritance plus multiple level inheritance. Not only these two, combination of any two. This is one scenario. Single plus multiple inheritance is hybrid inheritance. That means we have class A, class B. Now what happens? B is the child class of A. B is the child class of A. That is, I am implementing single level inheritance. Suppose, observe the diagram. Now D is the child class for parents B and C. That is, this is the multiple inheritance and this is single inheritance. This is multiple inheritance. This is a single inheritance. This is hybrid inheritance. Now consider an example program. How to implement these inheritances, how to create an objects, etc. First, class A, public void display of, public void display of Cout. I am using MSS in A. So this is class A. First to implement single inheritance. First implement single inheritance. Class B colon public A. So in this I am using a function public void some display 2 of. Here I am using some display 1 of Cout in B. Cout in B. This is the class B, class A and class B. Observe, here I am implementing single inheritance. B is the child class for A. B is the child class for A. Now, class C, public, use a method void some display 3 of Cout in C. So I am creating a class C. Actually there is no relationship between A, B and C. Simply create one more class, class D. So what is hybrid? Single plus multiple. Single is completed between A and B. Now to make multiple. So class D acquires the properties from more than one parent. For example, public B. Why I am writing B instead of A? Even though you are writing A, but the display 2 is not called. Why? Because based on the object of D, the display 2 is not called. That is the reason after applying single inheritance, all the protected and public members of class A are also available in class B. Then simply I can access class B. Indirectly I can access A also. Public C. I am acquiring public B and public C. See, now the multiple inheritance is implemented. Public void some display 4 of Cout in D. Okay, this is the way to implement hybrid inheritance. Now what is the procedure? Create an object for class D. Suppose here I am writing main of, create an object for, suppose object name is OB. By using this object you can access all the methods. That means simply OB dot display 1 of, OB dot display 2 of, OB dot display 3 of, OB dot display 4 of. So that means D is the child class for B and C. B is the child class for A. That means the B contains display 1 and display 2. C contains display 3. All these methods are available in D. along with their own member display 4. This is hybrid inheritance. These are different types of inheritance that are available in C++. Thank you.